Hello everyone, this is Amy. Looking around for a public restroom in general can feel a bit urgent when you're exploring a new city. But in South Korea, clear neighborhood signage makes it completely stress-free. It's not about deciphering hidden layouts or feeling lost in a massive transit complex. It's simply about recognizing a few clean, common vocabulary terms that instantly point you in the right direction. When you're out exploring a modern department store or subway hub, the essential word you want to look for on overhead directories is restroom. Let's practice this standard spatial term together. Listen closely. Hwajangsil. Repeat after me. Hwajangsil. Once you follow the arrows to the facility hallway, you can confidently check your correct entrance door by identifying the binary characters. Let's practice the words for men and women. Listen closely. Namja and Yeoja. Repeat after me. Namja and Yeoja. Knowing these simple vocabulary markers is an easy, confident tool that keeps your daily city walks running beautifully and smoothly. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart, talk happy, see ya!